Hello everyone, today I'll be sharing with you how I made pomelo salad. The ingredients are listed below. Begin by toasting the desiccated coconut until it has reached an amber color. Next is to prepare the pomelo into bite-sized pieces, followed by adding thinly sliced red onions. Blend it together. Then add cilantro leaves and mix it up. Add fish sauce. Then squeeze a lime, lemon, or calamansi wedge. Mix it again. Pour coconut milk or coconut cream and stir it until everything is covered. Finally, add the desiccated coconut. Enjoy!